So we just parked at the mall and somebody parked a car, stroller, in the space next to us. You be careful with that car. That's a race car, Adario. Rainforest Cafe. Welcome back to Set Streets and Eats, guys. I'm Chris Bauer. I am joined once again by my buddy Adario.
Hi!
If you've watched my channel for any length of time, probably a year or more, you've seen Adario, you've met Adario, you know he is a stand-up comedian and actor here in Los Angeles. Adario, you got any shameless plugs you'd like to do for anything coming up? And don't say your comedy show tomorrow, because this won't come out till after.
Yeah, I'm always at the Comedy Store, world famous, Mondays at 10:30 p.m. on the Ding Dong Show, baby.
Get on it. Anyway, we're here in Ontario, which is just outside of Los Angeles, because we are going to go to the Rainforest Cafe. They've got lots of animatronic goodness in there and just good food. And we're gonna go check them out, and I hope you guys will join us. Let's travel.
I'm gonna pet one.
I smell the forest. Oh boy. Is this Lyle the crocodile? I think it is Lyle. Oh, he's sleeping. Don't wake him up. Is he gonna open his mouth? Oh no! He almost got you. Check this out. There's no fish. What happened to all the fish? Did they not make it through COVID? Turns out the ocean had COVID. I'm pretty sure we didn't need a reservation.
I know.
It said make a reservation on the thing. I was like, okay, but that seems pointless.
Thanks, Biden.
So, have you been to a Rainforest Cafe before, Adario?
Oh yeah, I was in one in Nashville.
Nashville, okay, all right. I've been to that one as well. I've not been to this one in Ontario, California. Macaw. Macaw.
Legend.
Look. Elephants. Look, butter pecan salmon.
That is what.
Muy bien. Ooh, bacon wrapped stuffed meatloaf. What?
What does that even mean?
I don't know, but it actually looks good.
We took a loaf of meat. We said this needs more meat.
It needs to be wrapped in bacon. That cheetah's alive. Meow. So as we wait for our server, I'll give you some background on this restaurant. There used to be like 60 of these worldwide. It was started in 1994. And the pandemic was not kind to the Rainforest Cafe, so now there's only 22 of them left. And 17 of them are here in the US. No, North America, because one's in Canada. 16 of them are in the US. And I'm gonna go to all of them this year. So this is the first, with 15 to go after we go to it. And we're gonna try a little smorgasbord of the food. And we're gonna talk about some of their animatronic pals that they have around the restaurant. And I think you'll like it. So, like I said, this started in 1994. The first one is at the Mall of America in Minnesota. We will be going to that one soon too. Stay tuned for that. But what's really interesting about this place is the animatronics. They're all, they have different sorts of animatronics. A lot of the elephants, the gorillas, the cheetahs, or leopards. I'm not sure which one. And then they've got 8 different mascots that have names too. So we're going to see some of those as well. Every 30 minutes they have a storm here at the Rainforest Cafe. The lights flickered a little. I thought it was about to start, but it might not be yet.
They're like, that's a real storm.
It was a blip. It's here. Lightning. Look at that monkey. Look at that monkey. He's over there. He's beating on his chest. Very scary. We ordered our fruity drinks. We're very excited about them.
What do you mean fruity?
I mean, mine has strawberries and melons.
Oh, yum.
Oh, that's what you meant. Because they don't do straight shots here at the Rainforest Cafe.
Right.
I guess you could probably order a straight shot. They'd be like,
Yeah.
sir, we have children around.
Can you give me the 2-can tequila shot already?
Kid, 2 cans of tequila.
It's in 2 cans. Come on.
2 cans of tequila.
These look like maybe us.
Oh boy. This is a coconut curry sauce. Oh damn. Oh, that's good. Oh wow. That's really good. All right, cheers, Adario.
Cheers.
Let's say California.
Heck yeah, it does.
Oh yeah.
CA. Yeah, get those 91601 kind of zip codes.
All nothing.
All right, baby.
We got some mozzarella sticks here.
Yeah, lots of
There's some
sauces.
zoolophica sticks or something.
This is really good, but I don't know what it is.
I don't either. Really good.
And these are
These are Southwest egg rolls. They're really good. Coconut curry sauce is pretty tasty.
you know about South.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Gosh. That's a lot. Appetizers are good. You try it too hard for something that's not happening. Nice. Bacon wrapped meatloaf.
Meat inside me.
Tremendous. So I got the bacon wrapped meatloaf.
It looks really good.
It looks ridiculous. It's got mashed potatoes, a little bit of mashed potatoes and onion straws. Some kind of glaze on top. Oh damn. That's pretty good. That's really good. Ooh wow. Got some mixed veggies. Num num numbers. Adario, what'd you get?
Pecan buttered salmon.
Got the butter pecan. Butter pecan. Is it a compliments to the chef moment? I wonder if they have a chef. I'm gonna go see no.
It's like both sweet, but also a very good salmon flavor.
We got some Brussels there, baby.
I love Brussels sprouts.
There too.
This is a healthy meal.
It looks really healthy, actually.
Healthy.
Cooked in butter.
Now this thing, I'm not so sure what that is. What are you, little guy?
Is it a little cabbage?
Are you a little cabbage?
Is it a cabbage?
No. It's a weird goo. It's like, almost tastes like Caramel's brother.
It's nice.
So weird. What is
Caramel.
that?
Oh, is it squash?
You want to try a
No,
little?
it's a little,
Try a little of the salmon too.
let me try this little mush thing first. You're right, that is creamy. It is sweet. Wow.
I wish they would tell me what I'm eating before I just ingest it.
I think it's butter. It's the butter pecan.
That's the oh, we left that butter chunk on your table.
It didn't melt.
Sorry.
No, that's exactly what it is. I was like, it tastes sort of buttery and it's so creamy. It's butter. We were just eating butter pecan flavored butter.
I get more butter.
You gonna eat more of that butter? Wow. We're both very uncultured.
If you want any of these too, you let me know.
Try some butter pecan salmon. Oh. Ooh, that is nice.
It is good, right?
Wow. You know, I'll be honest with you, I'm not much of a salmon, like I love fish, but I don't like salmon that much. Too many salmon patties as a kid.
Yeah.
That's really delicious. I think we're gonna get us another storm. It's coming.
My joints hurt.
My joints hurt so bad. Oh. You sit back down.
Remember being at that house filming Lost in Time. Remember that first day I was there? Jumped in a pool. Little
Oh yeah. Oh, on the deck. Oh, that's right. And she was throwing stuff at me, and I got shot with a hose. Good times. Dario, where I can't say words. I just choked to death and died. Adario and I were in a little movie called Lost in Time. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, did I miss that in the theater? No, you didn't. However, you can still see it on YouTube if you'd like to see a couple of buffoons act the fool.
a classic.
It's not a classic, but it is on YouTube. Lost in Time. Check it out. There's the famous bar stools there at the Rainforest Cafe. So out of the 17 of these that exist in the US, there are 11 of them in malls. Kind of a mall staple, especially the Mills malls. A lot of cities have those. I'm sure they're built by the same company. But the Mills malls, they all have rainforest cafes. That's an elephant butt right behind me. It's right there. Let's go talk to Tracy Tree. Oh, hello.
Hey, you. Want to know something cool?
Yes.
Trees in rainforests can grow as tall as 200 feet.
What?
And giant bamboo plants can grow as much as 9 inches a day.
9
How tall
inches.
are you?
Not that tall.
If I eat my vitamins.
If I keep eating my vegetables and everyone else's. That was Tracy the Tree. Tracy Tree likes to give you facts about the rainforest. She's very knowledgeable about the rainforest and likes to fill you in on things you didn't already know about it. Very nice gal. Nice gal. Newly single. She's on Tinder. Oh, the jokes write themselves, Adario. They write themselves. There's also a storm in the gift shop. Oh my goodness, don't be scared, Adario. It's gonna pass us, don't worry. Kids today, they don't even notice thunderstorms in the forest. He's just on his phone.
Getting flirted at.
All right, Adario, did you enjoy this experience at the Rainforest Cafe?
Oh yeah, I always love being around some crazy deadly animals.
Mm-hmm.
Some good food.
Okay. Good. Me too. All right, we're out into the mall. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you at the next one.
Rawr.
Rawr.
Support the local rainforest cafes.
There's only 20 of them left.
Stop cutting them down.
You know, some of these rainforest jokes really do write themselves. They're pretty good. All right, see you guys next time. Bye now.